Hello everyone. Let's do question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Now here in this question a triangle PQR is given to us. Further it says that two sides have been extended where angle SPR is equal to 135 degree. Suppose this point is S. So angle SPR, this angle is 135 degree. And angle PQT is equal to 110 degree. So this is PQT and this angle is 110. What are we supposed to do? We have to find out angle PRQ. So in figure, let's see where is PRQ. PRQ. We have to find out this particular angle. Now we know from our previous concept that in a triangle we have three angles, and when we add these three angles, the sum is always equal to 180 degree. So if we find out value of this and this, and we add them all, it should always be equal to 180 degree. Now if I want to find out value of this particular angle, that is P, how am I going to calculate? Using linear pair, I can tell the value of this particular thing. So let me start with my solution. So if I apply linear pair in SPR and in angle QPR, so this plus this will be equal to 180 degree. So if from 180 degree I subtract 135, I will get value of this particular angle. So angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. Let's substitute values. Angle SPR is equal to 135 degree. Angle QPR we don't know, we have to find out this, equal to 180 degree. Now angle QPR is equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree, which comes out to be 45 degrees. Now let's find out value of this particular angle. I can see that these two are forming a linear pair. If this angle is 110 degree, so by linear pair I will find out this value, which comes out to be 70 degree, because the sum of these two should be 180 degree. So again by linear pair, you have to show proper working. Again by linear pair, you will get value of PQR as 70 degree. Now I know value of this particular angle, I know value of this particular angle, I know value of this particular angle. Now if I subtract the sum of these two from 180 degree, I will get value of this. And what is the property which you are using here? That is angle sum property. So if in triangle PQR, when you apply angle sum property, so sum of three angles should be equal to 180 degree. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should be equal to 180 degree. Now substitute values. In place of P, we will put how much? 45 degree. In place of Q, we will put 70 degree. In place of R, we will write angle R equal to 180 degree. Now just solve this. 70 plus 45 will give us 115 degree, plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Further solve it. Angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree, which comes out to be 65 degree. So the two properties which we have used here, linear pair and angle sum property, using these two properties we have solved this question, and value of angle PRQ is coming out to be 65 degree.